Example number 2 on combined gas equations. A gas at 0 degrees centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure occupies 2.5 liters. So what is given to us? First we'll write the data. Initially the temperature is given as 0 degrees centigrade, which can be always converted into Kelvin scale. So the Kelvin scale will be 273 Kelvin. This will be 273 Kelvin. Pressure P1 is given as 1 atmosphere and the volume V1 is given as 2.5 liters. This is initial data which is given to us. And what change in the temperature? So they are asking you what change in the temperature would be necessary if the pressure is to be adjusted to 1.5 atmosphere. So pressure is adjusted to 1.5 atmosphere and volume is, and the gas has been transferred to 2 liters. So you have changed volume also, 2-liter container. Now there are two different containers in which the experiment is being taken. Now you are measuring the gas at two different experimental conditions. And what is the new temperature that will be developed if you have changed the pressure and volume at which the gas is taken? Now the simple point, you have not changed the composition of gas, you have changed the conditions of gas. And the meaning of this, you have taken the same gas, moved from the one container into another container. This will always have same number of moles. So moving from one container to another container, if I take your number of moles which are present in the first container, this is in the container 1, will be equals to number of moles present in the second container. So now the container 1 will have the number of moles from the ideal gas equation or combined gas equation. PV is equals to nRT. What will be the N value? PV by RT. Can we take this? So what is the number of moles in the first container? P1 V1 by R into T1. This is in the first container. This will be equals to P2 V2 by R into T2. In the second container, R and R gets cancelled. We have P1 V1 by T1 is equals to P2 V2 by T2. This is the combined gas equation, the formula which is required for solving this particular problem. So we say this is the formula which we are taken into consideration to solve this particular question. So now first we have framed the formula. Can we write the data what is given in this particular one? At one particular side we'll write P1 is given as 1 atmosphere. In the previous slide we have written, again I'll write V1 is given as 2.5 liters. So V1 is given as 2.5 liters and T1 is given as 273 Kelvin. And the second container, the pressure P2 is changed to adjusted to 1.5 atmosphere and V2 is changed into 2-liter container, and now we have to find what is the T2. This is the question. So let us take this is all on one side. Now substitute the data in this. T1 V1, so 1 into V1 is 2.5 by T1 is 273 is equals to P2 is equals to 1.5 into 2 by T2. So now from this T2 will be equals to 1.5 into 2 into 273 by 2.5. So 5 5s, 5 3s. So it is 6 into this. 2 T2 is equals to, now if you find out this particular one, we are getting 327.6 Kelvin. So 327.6 Kelvin is the temperature that will be produced with change in the experimental conditions in which the gas is being taken. So let us see, if the gas is transferred into 2-liter container with the pressure adjusted to 1.5 atmosphere, the temperature will be 327.6 Kelvin.